So I'm Molly Johnston from Nomadic Pies.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandra. This is Chef Brett. We are the owners of Portobello's of Kennett Square.
My name is Tina King, and my husband and I own the produce place.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Julián Peña. Soy propietario del pequeño negocio de la taquería La Peña Mexicana aquí en Kennett Square, Pennsylvania.
Jossie Osborne, and I'm the owner of Kennett Brewing Company right here in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Chris Thompson and I own Filter Coffee here, and we've been in Kennett for 7 years now.
My name's Jason, this is Char. We're here at Cafe de Thai.
This is Evergreen Cafe. My name is Valerie Machoro.
My name is Scott Marsden of Ravina BYOB.
My name is Ahmed Saga. I'm the owner of Beer Bistro.
We are Kennett Strong.